Manipur Public Service Commission na ayaba piraba matung Directorate of University amadi Higher Education na Assistant Professor launabat chathariba recruitment process ase education subject ki oina di Manipur University na chatliba tha sig tarik tareta thokiba order number 910 gi matung ina recruitment process chathabiyo haina aspirant sing maikai degi thamlakli wafa masing ase Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba paumi sing unabamada aspirant mayam gi mahut sindana Thongram Anil Kumar na hai MPSC na haukiba income jali singani ka kunga mangagi December mangada assistant professor chamri ga tara mapan launaba notice sama thoki masigi manungda education subject wena assistant professor kungani pan launabagi warol yauki notice adugi matungina hairiba assistant professor asi apply ki damak candidate amana yamdrabada Indian University natraga accredited foreign university amadi concerned subject atuda master degree loirakpaga loinena chada yankai manga fanglakpa amadi national eligibility test exam so pass tawrakadabani natraga UGC regulation English singaniga supna mapan English singaniga tara taruki matungina PhD degree fanglakpa oigadabani haiba technique notice ase thokraba matung December tara mapanda MPSC na hana thokraba order amuk semdoktuna education and other qualification ta hana concerned subject hairambadu concerned relevant allied subject haina semdok pagaloinana allied subject ki oinadi Manipur University na income jali singaniga kunga mangagi September tara ni thoida thokiba order adu chatnagani haiki ningsing bayabadi Manipur University na thokiba order adu ki PhD ki admission taunaba khaki oiba notice ni masuda MPSC na karamna lan handokli bano haibasi angak papoki hairaduna education subject ki oina recruitment asegedamak Manipur University na thokiba order gi matungina recruitment chathabiyo han aspirant singi administrative singi puknik jingsilakli
thokiba order office order number 910 7 January 2026 asida yumham oiraga recruitment asi tawiu haibasini hariba Manipur University ki order asina education subject ki oinadi allied subject amata lecture haina khanali number 2 da education subject ki oina oja loba matanda atopa discipline amata ga yesenaba tawdana education hariba subject asibu baring kaidana tamjarapa candidate sing adumang screening da khangatuna shortlist tawiba number 3 da undergraduate BA level da education hariba subject asi lorok taba candidate singi oina di screening mark pibidaba haibisi